Do you love chocolate and caramel? Good, because I'm going to show you how to turn this into ice cream. One and a half cups whipping cream. 1.5 cups milk. Half cup sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Stir until sugar is dissolved. Cover and put in fridge overnight. You will also need approximately 1 cup of chopped caramel bars. 4 of these 50-gram caramel bars will suffice. Make sure to freeze these caramel bars before chopping, as it will make it much easier and less messy. Pour ice cream base into your ice cream machine. Five minutes before your ice cream is ready, add chopped caramel. Pour ice cream into a freezer-safe container. Scoop and enjoy.